Hey everyone, for today's video, I'll teach you how to send Robux to your friends. With this tutorial, you'll be able to share Robux to your Roblox buddies. So the very first step is opening your Roblox. And then you will be taken to your homepage. So just tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner and then tap on groups. You will see many options, but tap on groups. So now, make sure that you have your own group so you can send Robux to your friends. But it's actually not that simple to make a group. You need 100 Robux. So you can make a group. But if you're sharing Robux with your friends, I'm pretty sure you can afford it. So once you have the group, I don't have a group, so I'm just gonna walk you through it. Once you have the group, you can tap on configure. Tap on the three dots and then tap on configure and then tap on payout. And then just type their name on there and then type how much you want to give them, and then it will send. And by the way, it will send after a few days, maybe 3 or 4 or 5, because it's gonna be on pending. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.